Solve for x in the inequality. We have 2 over 3 minus 3s less or equals to 2 into bracket 1 minus s. So the first step that we need to take is to open the bracket. Remove the bracket at the left hand side. And when we remove the bracket, we are going to have 2 over 3 minus 3s less or equals to 2 times 1 will give us 2 minus 2 times s will give us 2s. Then the next step is to multiply by the LCM. Multiply by the LCM. And the LCM here is 3, i.e. 3. So we are going to have 3 times 2 over 3 minus 3 times 3s over 1 less or equals to 3 times 2 minus 3 times 2s. 3 will eliminate 3 here. So 1 times 2 will give us 2. 3 times 3s will give us 9s. Less or equals to 3 times 2 will give us 6. Minus 3 times 2s will give us 6s. Minus 6s. So we are going to collect like times. Collect like times. Don't forget that minus 9s and minus 6s are like times. So we are going to have minus 9x. By the time minus 6s comes to that side, it's going to be plus 6s less or equals to 6 minus 2. Minus 9s plus 6s will give us minus 3s less or equals to 6 minus 2 will give us 4. So therefore, s less or equals to minus 4 over 3. Thank you.